Hey guys, what's up? It's me here, and I guess I've kind of got a little something to show you. I got a Ripstik. Mum bought it me. It's very cool. Huh? Oh, very cool. Very cool. I'm not very good on it, let's just say that. All I can really do on it much is go on the boat and ride that way. Mom, can you hold the tablet and video me on my Ripstik?
Yeah.
Just face it that way. That's the way I've got it. So guys, this is what I can only really do it on my butt, but I'm not very good at it. I'm very good at dropping it, but so I'll just go back now. No. I got it. My mum got herself some new shoes. She likes high heels, let's just say that. Don't know why all girls like high heels. Very weird, but I can't say anything. I used to put them on when I was younger. What, I did? But I am. But guys, it's been me again, doing a kind of unboxing video for this. Didn't come in a box, don't know why, but oh. Right guys, I just fell over. It's been me, and you guys know what I'm going to say. Peace!